Hi, my name is Miss Arroyo, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a video submitted into Google Classroom. The method that we will use is to take a video that you have already recorded, upload it to Google Drive, and then submit it to Google Classroom through Google Drive. So let's get started. Step 1. Upload your video to Google Drive. So there are two ways to do this. If you're a little more tech savvy and you're super organized, you might have your video on your desktop, and if you do have that file saved, you could simply take your file and drag it over. Kind of like what I'm doing right now. I took my file from my desktop and I'm dragging it over. If you have to search for your file, again, this goes back to being a super organized student, you would have to go through this method to upload a video. Here we go. First, you click New, then you would click File Upload. So for me, this is saved on my desktop, and you can't see this part on the video tutorial, but I am picking out a video I made a while back. As you can see, at the bottom right-hand corner, it is currently uploading. I'm gonna let it upload and come back. So as you can see at the bottom right-hand corner, my video has already uploaded. It includes, as it was uploading, the title of the video file that you had. So part of being a super organized student is to consider that when you create a video or you record a video, you should go ahead and save it as an appropriate file name. Okay, so let's say that you forgot, which happens. I'm going to show you how to rename that file right now. So it's called, let's see, this is called Movie on this date at that time. So Google would have saved it at that way, and it also would be in alphabetical order. So here it is. Here is the movie that I have uploaded. So this is how you rename it. You're gonna right click. If you have a touchpad, like a Chromebook or a MacBook, what you do is you take 2 fingers and you press to click. If on a Chromebook, another way to also right click is to hold the Alt key and then press with 1 finger. So we're gonna rename. This video is a video of me playing Mozart 25, the violin 2 part. So the way I want my students to turn in work to me would be the title of the video, the date, and then an abbreviated name. So I will provide an example. So we're gonna call this Mozart 25 Violin 2. I'm gonna make up a date pretending that I'm turning it in on a date. And then here is an abbreviated name, first initial, last name. After I am done typing my title name, I'm gonna hit OK. And again, it just so happens that the first 2 letters were M-O, Mozart and movie, so it didn't move anywhere else. But had it been a different name or starting with a different number, the video would have been placed elsewhere. Okay, so now our video is uploaded to Google Drive. So we've completed step 1. Now that we have uploaded our video onto Google Drive, we are now going to take that video and submit it onto Google Classroom. The uploading part is a crucial step because you can't just take a video that you recorded and submit it on Google Classroom. That doesn't always work. So in the screen in the background, you're gonna notice my teacher view of my Google Classes. So this is what my teacher Google Classroom looks like, and it probably looks very similar to the student Google Classroom. In this particular class, I am a student. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. Now, to submit an assignment, you have to go to your classwork tab. So right now I'm in my stream, and here is my classwork tab. Here is the assignment where I'm going to submit my video. I'm going to click on that assignment, view assignment. I'm going to select add or create. Now here's the part that gets some students confused. Some students accidentally hit file and will try to attach the video directly from their device to the assignment, and that will not work. You have to select Google Drive because again, we already uploaded our video to Google Drive. Select Google Drive. So this is where being organized is very important. If you look over here, it goes Google Drive, and Google helps you be organized because you have recent, upload, my drive, all of those different things. Most likely the video you just uploaded will be in the recents. Okay? For some reason, if you're doing a lot of work and things get scrambled, then go to your drive or my drive. And remember, we called it the video title. So the video title was Mozart 25. And remember, it's alphabetical order. So here's my video. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to click insert. Right now, the video is uploading. After it is uploaded or linked, this is actually now linked through Google Drive, you can submit your assignment by selecting Turn In. And then I will hit Turn In again. And there you have it. That is how you submit a video that you recorded by uploading it to Google Drive and then linking it to your Google Classroom on that specific assignment. Thanks for watching, and remember to get more digitally organized.